Hello everyone, I'm Naomi from Prospero, and today I'm going to show you how to filter your calendar into shareable views so you can give anyone any version of the schedule they need right when they need it. To create a calendar view, click Add Filter in the upper right corner of the Calendar tab. Let's build a rehearsal schedule for the performers by filtering the calendar down to events from the Tempest project with the rehearsal tag or the performance tag. Layer on as many filters as you need. Keep in mind that filter categories are narrowing, so the app will only show events with all filter types selected, whereas filters within a category are either or. In other words, our set of filters will only show events that include the Tempest project and that are either tagged with rehearsal or performance. Once your calendar shows exactly what you want, click Save View to open the view editor. Give it a name like Tempest Rehearsals and customize the URL if you'd like. Set an authorization level for the link itself, public so anyone with the link can open the view, password protected for restricted access, or admin only to prevent link sharing. You can save it as a personal view so it only appears in your account, or toggle Save to Organization so every account in your org can see it as well. You can also set a default layout, time zone, and start date for when the linked schedule will begin to show events. View visibility settings give you granular control over what viewers can see on their schedule. Each resource toggled on will be visible on a shared view link. Omit sensitive or extraneous information by toggling resources off. Every view you own lives in the Views page in the sidebar, where you can search, sort, and manage them all from one place. Copy a view link and open, edit, or delete a view from the options on the far right. If you frequently use a specific view, favorite it to keep it easily accessible in the sidebar under the Calendar tab. To share a view, copy the URL or click the email icon to share it directly from the app. Search People to autofill an email address, or search a group name to add everyone in that group to the email at once, so you can send a schedule to the whole cast in one click. If you display a view in TV mode, anyone can scan the QR code to pull it up instantly. To learn more about how to use filters and views in Prospero, check out our guide to filters and views located in the Calendar section of the Help tab in the app. If you're new to Prospero and would like to try building views for yourself, head to prosperoapp.com and sign up for a free trial account. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Our team is always here to help. Happy scheduling!